Ready to ditch Notion's constraints and unlock Obsidian's powerful potential? This guide will have your notes migrating faster than you can say knowledge graph. First, in Notion, click on Settings and Members. From there, navigate to the Settings tab, scroll down until you see the Export Content section and click on Export All Workspace. Next, select Markdown and CSV as your export format. Make sure you tick the Include Subpages box to capture everything. Now, click Export and wait for Notion to package everything up. This might take a few minutes depending on the size of your workspace. Once the export is complete, you'll have a zip file. Unzip it. You should see a folder containing your Notion pages as markdown files and folders for your attachments. Now, open Obsidian. If you don't already have a vault, create a new one. Think of a vault as your personal knowledge base container. In Obsidian, go to Open Folder as Vault. Navigate to the folder where you unzipped your Notion export and select it. Obsidian will now import all your markdown files. You may need to adjust some formatting, especially with images and complex layouts, but most of your content should be there. Finally, explore Obsidian's community plugins to enhance your imported notes, and that's it. You've successfully migrated from Notion to Obsidian.